How far my people, how una dey, wetin dey sup, how una be, una know me for wetin me I dey do. I dey preach gospel of crypto all the whole time. Yesterday I drop one important video say no be all altcoin wey you dey hold like this go make new all time high. But a lot of people no take that information serious because say na free information. Na why be say most people dey always wan collect money from una hand before dem drop any vital information for una. Well, now I go still continue to dey do wetin I sabi do o. I thought say most altcoin no go make new all time high. I no know, some people never enter this crypto market for 2018, 2017. Go check history. E don happen to Bitcoin before. Bitcoin don enter 19k, drop to 3k. Ethereum don enter $1,400, drop to $80. Luna own wey dey sup no be new thing. No be new thing. History go still repeat itself again. Shey you understand? So everybody wey dey hold Luna, omo una sorry o. Me sef I dey feel am for here. Na everybody dey feel the heat, but heat dey different from heat. Fire dey different from normal light. Now wetin I wan talk be say, you see all those hype men wey dey always hype when Bitcoin, you go see dem like this now, dem no get any information to give you because dem know say you sef you be thief, greed wan kill you. Na why you dey always lis ten to dem. Now you no see any of dem rant to say Bitcoin e dey go 100k, dey go 50k. Make Bitcoin start to dey pump back, make e dey enter 50k, 60k, you go see dem go dey come out one by one. But dem know say you be thief, you no wan learn before you earn. Na dem go continue to scam you. Your matter be like person wey be say you wan dey do farming, but you no go plant your seed on top soil wey go make the seed give you better harvest, but you go dey plant seed on top soil wey dem dey use build house. How I take relate? Shebi you no wan learn before you make money from crypto? No worry, you never start to dey lose o, you just start. That 200k wey you wan put for crypto, comot 50k, comot 100k, go learn wetin you wan invest on, go understand am first. If you no do am that way, you see that thief, that ritualist mentality wey dey your head, crypto go help you straight am. Crypto e go teach you how no worry, I no go talk pass that one. But wetin me I sabi, wey I know say e fit help people, I go continue to dey drop am.